So this is an Accupath mill AC-3KV. It was originally made CNC, so it has ball screws and Teflon on the ways everywhere. So it's not a converted machine, it's originally CNC but with updated new controls. Oiler works, new servo motors, new electronics, new controls. Running UC CNC, and it does rigid tapping. Here's a demo. So I'm going to drill and then tap. Auto mister. Quarter 20. So basically the machine is like new condition. I am really the first owner of it. Bought it 7 years ago with a non-working control from a machine dealer locally. So basically I replaced the motor. It used to be variable speed belt. Took that out and put a timing belt in there instead. That way the belt doesn't slip, and then you could do rigid tapping. Most knee mills don't do rigid tapping, so this is a unique machine. So basically mill, drill, tap. Amazing machine, super clean. The ways look like they were ground yesterday. Does about 110-inch rapids. Auto oiler works, everything works 100%. Turnkey machine, ready to mill. I'll include set of collets, R8s, devices included, some tool holders, R8 tool holders, and a T-slot hold down set. New one will be included with the sale. These buttons work. Start, pause, stop. So pause, stop.